ASAP stands more for as soon as possible. It stands for analyze, strategize, action, and plan. If you're overwhelmed, if you're uncertain, if you're ever feeling like you have so many ideas swirling around in your head, but there's not enough hours to complete the tasks, the targets, to accomplish anything really that you have set out for yourself, I want you to listen up because you're not alone. The way you do anything is the way you do everything. So you really need to start acting as if you've already accomplished all the goals that you set out for yourself in 2024. Create the identity of your future self so that you can focus on the fact that you've already achieved your desired outcome. Your brain is wired to protect you. That's why you have the fears and the doubts and the procrastination and all the other negative feelings and thoughts that are swirling around in your head. Your brain is trying to protect you. It's the flight or flight that mechanism that is being set off in your head. So what you need to do is you need to reinvent your internal map ASAP. So let's start with A for analyze. I want you to conduct a comprehensive personal or professional review of your past year. Start asking yourself, what worked? What didn't work? What can I do better? If it's personal, let's look at your health, your wealth, your relationships. You can do an assessment on the 4 quadrants of life: emotional, physical, mental, and spiritual. Those are the 4 quadrants. And you know what? When you take care of those 4 quadrants, everything else aligns. If you want to do a comprehensive look and analysis on your business, look at the people that are surrounding you. Who do you have on your team that's going to help you achieve your goals? Look at your cash flow. Look at your expenses. Look at your overall financial health. What are your plans? What worked in your business? What didn't work? What can you do better? Then the strategy, the S is for strategy. So you need to start analyzing, what do you want to accomplish, either short term or long term. So if it's the short term, start looking at your 30, 60, 90-day plan. If you're long term, start looking at what you want to accomplish for the year, maybe 3 years, maybe you need a 5-year plan. The next is action. The next A is action. So when you look at your strategy, and it's a smart one, right? It's specific, it's measurable, timely. You need to start then identifying what are the actions that you need to take in order to make that strategy a reality. And then the P in ASAP is for plan. So again, you need to plan out, what do you need to accomplish either on a daily basis, a weekly basis, monthly basis, in order to make that vision a reality. Or maybe you need to break them down into projects. That P can also be mini projects that you need to accomplish. Again, this process works for both personal and professional. So operational assessment is another thing that you may want to consider. I'd like to encourage you, if you're a business owner, assess your operational processes. Look at your people, process, and technology. Now, if you want to improve on a personal level, start with an exercise called the perfect day. Start analyzing what you want your perfect day to look like. And then you need to start putting it out to the universe, God, whatever higher power it is that you believe in, what you want to start having more of in your life. I am the architect of the growth model. The G stands for goals. The R is to build out your roadmap. The O is about different options and opportunities. The W is all about weaving in a team, surrounding yourself with the people that are going to lift you higher. The T is for task, timelines, and targets. And then the H is all about holding you accountable. Start asking yourself, what would you like more of or less of in your life or in your business? What motivates you? What gets you going in the morning? A study was done recently on self-sabotage, and they say that approximately 20% of people self-sabotage either once or twice in a day. So self-sabotaging means that you're blocking yourself from making a healthy choice. And when you're procrastinating, that's your brain telling you that, you know what, you'd rather focus on things that are bringing you more pleasure. So if you struggle with self-sabotage, fear, doubts, if you are the reason that you're not getting stuff done, I want you to reach out to me on my website, seeyourselfgrow.com. My name is Tina Calvera, and I have been coaching and consulting for the last 14 years. My superpower is taking people's big ideas, breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks so that you can see the results that you know that you deserve. So I look forward to seeing you and your business grow. Enjoy the day and enjoy the year.